we'll guide you through how to make shadow on Picsart. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your Picsart and letting it load. Then log in or sign in to your Picsart account so you can continue. After you are logged in, press the plus button below to begin a new project. From there, go to the Start with a Photo or Video section to open the Creation menu. Then select Background to make a blank canvas for your design. After that, go and select the white color option to turn your canvas into a blank white background. Wait a second till the canvas loads completely, because some tools will not show until the canvas is ready. Once it is loaded, scroll the menu below until you see the shape option. Pick one shape that you like, and for example, you can choose a rectangle if you want a simple base shape. Next, go to the color option and set the color based on what you like, so the shape looks the way you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the shape based on your needs by dragging the corners to adjust it. You can also add a border if you want to make the shape stand out a little more. After you set up your shape, go to the shadow option below to begin working on the shadow effect. Inside the shadow section, you will see several align options that change where the shadow sits around your shape. Pick one align that you want to use so the shadow falls in the direction you prefer. After that, go to Adjust to change the blur and opacity so the shadow looks softer or stronger depending on your style. Then go to the Position option to change the horizontal or vertical placement of the shadow so it lines up exactly where you want it. Finally, go to the Color option if you want to change the shadow color to something different. This will give you a fully customized shadow effect that fits your design.